What is indefinite integral of 1 divided by 2 minus x by dx? Usually, we have some additional info about function f of x. In our case, f of x belongs to real numbers and is integrable in that domain. From symbol dx, we know that differential of variable x indicates that the variable of integration is x. In that case, to solve this integral, we may apply so-called u substitution method. We do it in order to modify the integral in the way that enable using sum of formulas for finding integrals. But first, let's rewrite our equation knowing that 1 divided by s equals s raised to minus n. In our case, s is 2 minus x, and we've got integral of 2 minus x raised to minus 1 by dx. Now we try to substitute expression 2 minus x. We say u is equal to 2 minus x. We also have to know what is the derivative of u. So we write derivative of u equals d 2 minus x. From rules that we can apply to derivatives, we know that derivative of 2 minus x equals derivative of 2 minus derivative of x. Thus, we have du equals d2 minus dx. We also know that derivative of constant is 0. Consequently, our derivative of 2 is also 0. And we've got du is equal to minus dx. But what we want to have is expression that we insert to our main solution instead of dx. So after division of both sides by minus 1, we've got minus du is equal to dx that we were searching for now. Let's make use of our u. We insert u instead of 2 minus x to our main equation, and instead of dx, we now use expression with our substituted variable u, which is minus du. We have now integral of u raised to minus 1 multiplied by minus du. We can rewrite this expression knowing that minus du is just minus 1 multiplied by du. And as it is a constant, we may put it in front of the equation and outside the integral sign. To do so, we apply formula which says integral of a multiplied by s by ds, where a is some constant, equals a multiplied by integral of s by ds. In our case, s is u raised to minus 1 and a is minus 1. We now have our main equation as minus 1 multiplied by integral of u raised to minus 1 by du. Perfect. Now we can apply formula for solving integral of s raised to minus 1 by ds, which equals natural logarithm of absolute value of s. We also must add constant c to make sure that we have all our solutions taken into account, as our solution make whole class of functions, not a single one. In our case, s is equal to u. Then we've got minus 1 multiplied by natural logarithm of absolute value of u plus constant c. But it is not the end of our solution. We have to come back to our problem, and it was formulated using variable x. We use u substitution, and now we have to come back to x. So instead of u, we now insert 2 minus x. We've got minus natural logarithm of absolute value of 2 minus x plus constant c as a result of our problem. Finally, indefinite integral of 1 divided by 2 minus x by dx is equal to minus natural logarithm of absolute value of 2 minus x plus constant c. If you have any questions, just write them down in comments section below. If you want to see more our videos, don't forget to subscribe.